My people, e get one woman wey nearly commit suicide. When una hear suicide like this, una go dey place judgment. Una go dey talk, why will she want to take her life? Why will he want to kill himself? My people, una never know wetin person don pass through for the person to think of suicide. Suicidal thought, you think say na with open eye or with good health, say you dey chill, you are living la vida loca, you go dey think of suicide. Nobody dey enjoy life go dey think of suicide dey go. Nobody. This woman at the age of 7, dem rape am. 7 years, wetin she know, dem rape am. At the age of 10, her uncle come, bring her, let us put her in school. Bring her, come, let us put her in school. Na so dem rape this girl, like sexual abuse from 10 to 12. This girl reach 15 years. They sell banana and groundnut for the mother. Na the process there, selling of that banana, wey dem rape the girl. Still collect banana, collect groundnut. For Nigeria where we dey, you don rape person pikin, that one no be enough enjoyment. You still collect banana, collect groundnut. Because of wetin? As this same girl turn 20, still on top hustling, she dey sell garri. Na so dem rape am, collect garri, collect money wey she don sell. Na so na the thing wey dey happen for the Nigeria wey we dey so. Now, mature enough, 24 years. See, no age range is beyond rape. No age range. Na me talk am. No age range is beyond rape. At the age of 24, pastor say make she come for deliverance. Anybody can be a victim. Yes. Whether you dey 50 years, you think say you don get sense, then go still use your head somehow. So na prayers everybody need. 24, pastor call and say, come for deliverance. Na so she come deliverance. So deliverance, then come deliver her through rape, then rape her. Which kind of Nigeria be this? Even the deliverance when she come, they no deliver her of anything. I wonder how pastor takes the deliverance from the girl. Say they want deliver her. 5 days after this incident of pastor raping her, thief gangs, criminal people, then still catch her, rape her. 5 days after. And people wey she dey tell of this thing, dem go say, no talk, just calm down, no talk, no talk. Why will you people be hiding rape cases like this? Because if that girl don come out since when she dey 10, dem go know say this one na rape victim. People go dey put eye, at least people wey don see her go dey watch, say make it no happen again. Because rape na trauma. You wan put person for trauma, that one na real trauma. You see the same guy wey rape this in your born kill am. I sure say una don hear of the story because we don drop am for this channel already. Yes, the same person wey rape this in your born girl, na the same person wey attempt for this girl side again. Him call am say make she come the same interview, the same way wey him take clear the girl. Him tell am, and she herself almost go, but na one thing stop am. She no get transport to go that place. Sometimes some situation is a blessing from God. Yes, that's why they talk say in every situation give thanks to God. This one na good example of situation where even if e happen, just give thanks to God. Where person broke, see where broke save life. Because who no know, like who know whether she for follow for people where they do funeral for now. Say them rape hit stabilizer as them talk. Like this, her life has been saved from another rape. My people, rape is a serious case, and we have to say no to rape in Nigeria. Yes, this same woman, she talk say for how she dey wonder how person wey dey rape person, you see say victim wey dey rape, dey cry, dey beg for her life. You still get erection. You still get, she dey ask herself how person go still get erection when person wey dem dey try rape dey beg for life, dey cry for life, but still dem dey get erection. Which kind erection be that one? That one na straight from hell. That one na devil's erection. Yes, something dey inside there. Something dey, demonic thing dey there. Their village people dey control them. Then dey under curse. I don't know wetin to think again. People wey dey rape, they no get conscience, they no get mind. In fact, maybe they never even get pikin of their own. I mean, they don't know how rape be. E go just dey get erection. She can't talk say this punishment wey dem dey give rapists imprisonment, life imprisonment, 10 years, 5 years. Say that one no dey okay o. Say for her own side, the best thing wey fit these people na death by hanging. And my people, I agree to her. I agree to wetin she talk. Me, I agree 100%. Because these rapists, they don't deserve to roam around this earth anymore. Whether dem dey 10 years, dey 5 years, dey 6 years for prison, when dem come out, dem go continue. I know wetin I dey talk, because I don see person wey dem lock for prison for years. The guy come out, still continue from where he stop. The thief dey go. He even do bigger jobs, bigger robberies. My people, that's to tell you that prison cannot hold back what they do. Yes, prison na just bar. Then they take am. Those people, I just say, they see prison like their room. The thing wey remain na for them to put set up, put television for them. Because for me, for them to still survive prison, come and still dey do wetin dem dey do, then they enjoy prison. Nothing dey prison. Prison is so beautiful for them these days. If dem no fit learn lesson from prison, I no know the kind punishment wey dey punishable enough for these people to learn lesson. For me, na just for them to die, and make dem no allow them take last prayer. No time for last prayer. Make dem no even get time repent, because I go dey happy to see them with devil. They mingle for hellfire. Na there dem belong. Yes, at least that one na for a lifetime. When fire don burn them tire, dem go know say if dem see victim even for hellfire, dem no go near am. If dem even see girl, dem go dey look am like say na boy. Na all these things dey make people decide for their life say dem no go marry again. Na this same rape dey make people say where boys dey, dem no even wan near boys. Girls, when dem see boys, go dey like say dem see masquerade, like say dem see armed robbers. Dem no even dey see them like people wey dem dey attracted to. Why? Because of dem don rape them tire. Nobody know how their private part dey now from all these incidents. Some people only one rape incident, dem know wetin dey. Their eye open. They know say e no easy. When you hear rape case, e no be small thing. Compared to this person, how many rape incidents? Abeg my people, no. I won't make una use una mouth tell me the kind punishment wey dey good for rapists. I wan know what the perfect thing to do to this, because me, I don talk, dissect my brain, put down wetin I think say dey good for all these rapists. Even the woman sef don talk her own. Abeg my people, make una watch, because the woman dey talk in pains. Make una watch this video, see how the woman take narrate the story.
To know, at the age of 7, I was gang raped. So dressing has nothing to do with rape. What a woman wears cannot even push somebody to rape the woman. At the age of 10, I remember my uncle telling my mom is going to send me to school, and that was how they came, took me home, and they sexually abused me from 10 to 12 years old. And at the age of 15, I was raped when I went to sell banana for my mom. They finished eating the banana and the granite, and they still raped me. At the age of 20, I was gang raped again when I went to sell gari for survival. They gang raped me, collected the money, collected the gari. At the age of 24, I was raped by my pastor, who said he wanted to do deliverance for me. And he did not do the deliverance. He raped me. Within 5 days, I was gang raped by a group of thieves who nearly destroyed my body. And what did people say? Don't say anything. When you keep telling victim not to say anything, do you understand the psychological trauma that they pass through? This thing is painful. You don't know what we face. No one knows what is going on. We need to fight rape. We need to fight rapists. We need to fight these people. They don't have hearts. They are one of the wicked individuals on earth.
Abi, una don watch the video. Una see say she dey for funeral ground. They shout on top of her voice just to send the message give una. Just for you to know what is happening in that country, Nigeria. Our so-called fatherland. Make una see wetin dey happen. People are not even at peace. If they waka for night, you gats carry Jesus dey waka, because no other person fit save you. Yes, carry God waka o. Strong prayers, that country, even for daytime sef, anything fit happen, talk more of night. Any small bush wey dem see, dem don turn am to rape session. Any small completed building dem see, dem don turn am to house of rape. My people, abeg, which punishment una think say all these rapists dem deserve? Abeg, make una put am for the comment section. E dey important. We go dey reply all of una, make we know wetin dey una mind. Abeg, you guys should do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next one.